Hi, my name is Tim Maxwell, aka the TMax, and welcome to Follow Along Fitness. I received some feedback saying that some want me to do a follow along fitness course. So here I wanted to offer you a chance to try a few different workouts to see which one works best for you and which one you enjoy the most. All of these workouts are a different path to the same goal, you being successful in your fitness journey. Each workout routine starts with a warm-up, goes through the workout, and ends with stretching, all in real time, so you can just sit there in front of the TV or your phone or tablet or whatever and follow along with me from start to finish. Only thing you need to have done before you start is to tie your shoes, unless you go barefoot. Each workout has its own cheat sheet that you can download in the resources section that will give you a breakdown of how the workout's supposed to go. On the videos, there will be me in the middle doing the standard version of the workout, plus a video in both corners, one being the scaled version and the other being the advanced version of the same workout. All of them will run on the same clock though. All of the workout routines in this course are 30 minutes or less, with a lot of them coming in under 20 minutes or less, including the warm-ups and the stretching. So that means just 20 to 30 minutes of your time to do everything you need to do for a workout, and you can take a shower or go on about your day. The idea with this course is that it's a pick and choose style, so if you really like doing high intensity training, you can continue to do that workout, or you can change it up based on your mood. Some days you'll have more time, some days you have less time, some days you have more energy, so you can pick and choose the workout that best suits your current needs. And you can repeat it as many times as you like. You can also do the entire course as though it were a progression, meaning that if you do 2 workouts a week, the 11 workouts should take you about 5 weeks to finish. However you decide to do the workouts, I'm sure that this course will offer you the flexibility to work out based on your schedule and mood. Alright, so let's get to it.